Welcome back to the channel. I've been and picked a steel dolly up with 4 wheels on it for a job, and we're on the goodie trail again today. Treasure. First thing out of the garage, if I can get that in focus, is a ridge case gearbox. Quite dirty, been under a car a long time, but that's the first bit. And then we're on to the engines. There's 3 engines to move, that being the first one. Oh, what's down there? It's a cylinder head. First engine, second engine. There's an engine and gearbox that I am sure came out of a Traveller. Not 100%, but I think that's from a Traveller. Anyway, we're going to get them moved into the van and up with the rest of the treasure at the unit. We've got to find a way out of this garage, up the drive to the van. Have to excuse the mess, this is from moving in a few months ago. We've not got everything sorted, but that's the first one. We'll get that one in the van. I'll have to get my missus to get her muscles blown up to give me hand to chuck it in. Wish me luck. After a lot of grunting and puffing and feeling my age, we've sort of got this engine on a trolley. Now this engine was out of the car that we call Type F that we saved, which is at Lord Jackson's, and he's going to use that one in a better shell to put together, but he's got an engine for that. So that's a spare engine with a unleaded head on it that wouldn't start because I don't think it's torqued down properly. But we're going to get this one in the van next. That's made a bit of a gap, so we can put something in there. With brute force and 60-year-old ignorance, we've got them to the back of the van. All we require now is somebody to lift them. My missus can't do it, so we need to make a phone call. Probably get the son here, see what he's doing, get them thrown in. Eventually the treasure is in the van. That's the first one with the unleaded head. I think this engine and box came out of a Traveller that we scrapped 3 or 4 years ago. And that engine, I really am not sure at all. I don't know where that's from. Turns over. Oh, it does with the clutch, yeah, it's free. They're moving. And that gearbox, I'm still not sure on that one either. But there's 3 engines, 2 gearboxes, and they're going up to the unit. They're going up to the headquarters. And then we've got some things to fetch from my old house. So next job, get these to the headquarters, get them in. I'll get them on the yard and covered up at least for today, because I need to get some other stuff. Them engines were heavy. Van's empty. And we've got them in the yard. So, engines out, into the yard, go and get the next bit. We had to get my son to give us a hand, and then my mate to give us a hand to get these out. I'm not as strong as I used to be, but they're in the yard. They'll end up through that door this week, but I'm just going to find a cover, put over them. I'm sure there's a little tarpaulin in the unit behind them. I'll get them covered up, bit more treasure, and get it sorted. We found some tarpaulin or a cover. We're all covered up. It's in. Get some strong lads next week. Get that door unbarricaded there. We'll get them in that room. But it's not been a bad day today. Treasure. We keep finding treasure. And Patrick's bought some more treasure. I've been to the old property where the son lives. The toolboxes have gone. They're going to go where the engines were. And I found lots more treasure. Morris Minor Van Workshop Manual. There's a fully restored gearbox cover with a new rubber on it. That's all that lot. Bits down there. A nice steering wheel. And under there's lots of RD250 Yamaha stuff. There's a wing. Prop shafts. Cupboards are full. Blue boxes down there are full of seals and washers and gaskets. Somewhere I've just seen a gasket set. It's on that shelf. Brake shoe sets. We've got everything. This has all got to come round to the All Things Morris headquarters. But that'll be another day. Then eventually the Garelli. That's going to have to come on its stand. All these boxes of bits. There's a Garelli engine there. I've found the cylinder head out and the cylinder. Need to get a gasket set for that. Get it running. Press can come to the headquarters. That bench needs to come to the headquarters. And that's it for in here. Well, we've got the 3 engines, 2 gearboxes out. We've got the toolboxes in. Some of the toolboxes, they're the ones that will stay at home. The others will go to the headquarters, but they're in, and we ended up with 1 drawer coming out. God, I need to clean this garage out. But it's a bit dark in here, folks, so stand back a bit. Toolboxes are in. 2 moggy doors there, they need to go into the storeroom. They'll be on the next trip, I would think. There's 2 doors there, off of a 2-door, in very, very good condition. And there's 2 in the shed as well, off a 4-door, so they can all go. So, it's been a good day. Sun's been out, and I've moved some stuff. Took a bit of doing, but we've got there. Toolboxes in, engines out, engines up to the headquarters. It's been a toolbox moving day, folks. There stood 3 moggy engines and 2 gearboxes. And I've got some of my stuff from my old house here. I'll start sorting some toolboxes. They're absolutely packed and I don't know what's in them. I've got 3 more I can take to the unit. But we've had a good day. Hope everybody's alright. See you all soon. And look what we found. Some more treasure. It's been a good day today. It's a nice traveller, look. Then a 2-door. And that's a smaller one, same as that 2-door. Morris Minor parking. Parking only. All other cars will be clamped. Hey, it's been a good day. A good day treasure hunting. And everything's at the headquarters.